Hi and welcome to Matrix Design Concept. Welcome to Matrix Design Concept. Let's take you on a short tour of our office. This is an architectural design office, and we are very passionate architects here. We love material, we love design, and when we were designing this office, the one thing which was very clear in our minds was that we wanted it to be like an experience center for our clients. So we intended to use a widespread palette of materials and as much experimentation as we could do. We knew that this is the space where we can experiment. So this is the director's office, my office. So we were very clear that we wanted the office to exude luxury and be warm because it should be welcoming. So when you think of warmth, the few colors that come into your mind are terracotta, black, yellow. So I am in love with pastels and I love black personally. So I wanted that my table should be black. Initially we planned the table in a laminate, but because we wanted a seamless and good finish for the table, so we have gone with this Neotra tile instead of the granite stone, so to counter the weight factor. So this is the reception area of our office. Again, we have used the concept of rattan, which is sandwiched between the glass to give it a nice earthy look, along with solid wood used in the partition, and also this log of wood which was used to enhance our main door, just to add a little character to the door. And the flooring, we did not go with the conventional vitrified flooring. We wanted to keep it earthy, so we went for the Asian gold floors. For the meter panel also, it was very simply and smartly hidden behind this geometric painting, which goes very well with our interior concept. And this is the powerhouse of our office, where the entire staff works and where all your dreams are realized. And this is the studio. So we wanted to keep it peppy. We added some colors in the studio and a lot of storage, and all the workstations were customized as per the staff's comfort. So this was more of a manifestation for any designer. It's almost a dream come true to have your office and to get to design your own office. So when we were designing your office, we put our heart out and we put our best foot forward. I hope we are welcoming enough to get the best clients in the industry who give us an opportunity to do the best work to the best of our capability. And hope you like the office, and you're welcome to Matrix Design Concept. Thank you.